Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and inner monitors. I do unboxings and reviews, and today I'm going to be unboxing some new earbuds. Let me get my big unboxing knife. This came in the mail today. Let me open this thing up and see what we got inside. Now these just dropped, I think earlier this month, or earlier last month I should say. These are the One More Colorbuds 2. Now, One More they did have on their Instagram page where they showed the Colorbuds Pro. I think that's what they were initially going to call them, but they went ahead and called them the Colorbuds 2. So I kept trolling them day in, day out, like, you know, where they at, where they at, where they at. And then they'd be like, LOL. I'm like, okay, forget y'all then. So I forgot all about the buds, and then they finally they came out with these. You know, Hefe, he sent me like he tagged me on Twitter. He was like, I don't even care, but you know, I don't know. Once I open this up, maybe I'll care. So on the front of the box, we got a Qualcomm chipset, Bluetooth 5.2, active noise cancellation and pass-through modes, dual mic, environmental noise cancellation, personalized sound enabled by Sound ID. That's an app. It's like Wavelet. And we also get Bluetooth codecs, aptX adaptive, aptX AAC, and SBC supported. So this will work on all devices, you know, Mac OS, you know, iOS, Android. Pretty cool. Okay, turn on the side. We have 24 hours of battery life, total, fast charge, IPX5 water resistant, correct, not waterproof, and we got wireless charging. Wow. Turn on the other side. Okay. Like this. Let's see me go ahead and open up this plastic here. Let's see how big they are. Alright, I got the Colorbuds, the original ones. Those have like a matte finish. I like those because I love a dot style earbud, but let's see if these are bigger or larger. Box seems pretty much the same size as the Colorbuds. Ooh, okay. Look like they're about the same size. Alright, let me pull this up. Okay, now on this has the controls in Chinese and English. So it says phone call, answer in call, double tap. Voice control on smart cell phone. Tap 3 times when Bluetooth on and no calls. Playback, pause and play, double tap. It says the default setting of the headphones is ANC on. Touch and hold on the outside of the headphone to switch ANC on to pass through. Okay, cool. So here are the earbuds themselves. I'll put them to the side. Let's see what else is inside the box. See, I love One More because they just give you all these instructions. Now it says right here, remove the earbud, insert the earbud, twist the earbud towards your mouth while leaving the mic uncovered. So they're telling you how to put them in your ears. Great. Let's see, we got a One More, is that a warranty card? We got the little One More sticker. I never use those. Let's see, we got the user manual. Whoo! They went with the Encyclopedia Britannica here. Okay, so LED lights. We got green, yellow, and red. Alright, great. Just like Sennheiser buds. I just turned to that page. I didn't even mean to do that. Okay, the tips. Alright, okay. Let's go ahead and see the tips. We got extra small, small, medium, and large. Great. One More give you them tips, man. I reviewed the One More quad driver headphones. So many tips. So in this bag, we got the charging cable. Let me see, I already know what it's gonna be. It says, since it's fast charge, we got USB-A, the USB Type-C. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we got the tips. I don't like how they don't have the bag for the tips like they do for the charging cable, where you can just easily reseal it. But I'm not about to rip this thing open. From what I can see, that's I guess the small, extra small, and the medium, or the large. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and rip it open. Let me get my scissors. Because I like to keep everything organized. That way I don't have to hunt for these things. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let me turn this bag over. Don't troll me. Come on. Get up out of there. Don't troll me. Okay, so looks like, ooh, yeah, those are tiny. Those are the extra small right there. So these buds will be great for people with small ears. Let's see what else we got. We got the large right here. And let me see, yeah, these are small. Okay, so we got the extra small, the small, and the large are in the bag. So the mediums are gonna already be on the buds themselves. Great. Let me take this plastic off. All right, nothing to it. Okay, now let me move stuff out the way. Okay, looking at the case, it's matte. It's the same as the original Colorbuds. It's got like a rubberized foot on the bottom. Imagine like those chairs that you get. They got those things on the bottom so it doesn't slide. So it kind of feels like, yeah, anyway, we got one more branding up top. Turn over on the back, you got USB Type-C charging port. Turn over on the front, you got the one LED indicator light. Open up the lid to see how good the lid is. Yeah, lid ain't that great. That hinge, yeah, it's a plastic hinge. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just the regular, smegular plastic hinge. Now let's look at the buds themselves. Okay. Whoa, wait. This is new. Okay. Whoa, wait. This is new. Was it like those original buds like these? They got like some in-ear monitor type mesh over the nozzle here. Look at that. That looks very premium. Let me see, it's a matte, the shell is like a matte finish around. And this is like a glossy but still matte with the one more branding. You got the microphone, well, it might be a LED light. Hold on, let me see. Oh no, there's no, oh, I'm about to put these on a charging case just to see what they look like. Ah, get off my finger. All these things always troll me. Ah, get off. Okay, let's see if that's a LED light on top. Man, there's no battery on the case. Yeah, that's LED light. So that's a microphone down there. All right, cool. Let me see. All right, okay, let me get my charging. Let me get my anchor pad right here. All right, so it's got a little bit of battery in it on them. It's yellow. Yeah, these things look cold. I like these. These look nice. I like that rubberized foot on the bottom. That is really nice. It's not really gonna move nowhere. Okay, let me put the silicone tip back on here. Nice and springy tips. Kind of like a mushroom type tip. You kind of fan out or fan in. Oh man, it's just hard to get it back on here. Okay, I got it, I think. No, I don't. Okay, there. Okay, it started to click. All right. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it looks like it has a, what is that? An optical sensor. So these might have, let me see, these might have smart playback, or maybe like auto pause and play. We also got a pairing reset button right there. Yeah, these are really nice. Very lightweight, very compact. I can't wait to test these out the next coming weeks. So this has been the unboxing of the One More Colorbuds 2 wireless earbuds. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share, and thank you for watching. Wireless